I'm going to put in the abalone and half of my abalone broth, the brine.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way but very flavorful way of cooking chicken stew. Yeah, making chicken stew using canned abalone. And I try to use the braised kind of abalone so that you can actually make use of the ready-made braised from the abalone can itself. So let's take a look at the ingredient. Today I have approximately 400 grams, actually 350 grams of chicken parts, yeah, free-range chicken I'm using, and also approximately 400 grams of abalone here, and this is coming from one single can, yeah. And nowadays, I don't know why, maybe due to oversupply, but canned abalone is very cheap and very easy to get in Malaysia and Singapore right now. The one I'm getting is already considered a slightly more expensive one, only cost me about 50 ringgits. And these are the bigger ones. There are some smaller ones which will cost you only probably 20 to 30 ringgit per can. So yeah, very affordable right now. And we have a little bit of chopped garlic and also ginger slices and some spring onion for garnishing towards the end. First of all, put some oil inside the wok and raise the heat up. If you are using a non-stick wok like Appa, don't try to heat up the wok without anything. At least put in some oil. If you heat up the wok with nothing inside, your non-stick wok can get spoiled very fast. So once the oil is heated up, we want to saute the ginger and garlic. We'll come back shortly. Once you have browned the garlic a little bit, you can now actually put in the chicken. You can marinate the chicken with a little bit of fish sauce if you like, or light soy sauce. Then I'm going to add in some hot water here, coupled with a bit of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Tune down the fire a bit. I'm going to season this. We don't have to season a lot, right, for this particular dish because later we have the abalone sauce. I mean, the brine from the abalone can. Yeah, a little bit of oyster sauce here, a little bit of light soy sauce, some Hsing wine. If you don't take alcohol, just omit the Hsing wine. I'm going to give it a bit of salt and some sugar. If you prefer darker color, now it is the time where you can put in some dark soy sauce. All right. Super fragrant. Once it is boiling, close it with a lid. I'm going to let it simmer for approximately 10 minutes under medium or medium-high heat. Right, this is simmering after approximately 10 minutes. You can see the sauce has been reduced. Let me give, ooh, some char, very nice. Let me just give it a few stir. Ooh, nice and thick. Yep, the flavor has definitely gone in. Next thing, very simple. Let me zoom in for you. I'm going to put in the abalone and half of my abalone broth, the brine. The rest of the brine, I will use it to cook a soup, a 5-minute soup. Now I'm going to raise the heat again. Just going to let this cook for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, then it is done. This is after about 1 minute plus. Few dashes of white pepper. Done. That's how simple it is. Abalone chicken stew. Or chicken stew with abalone. Serve. So here you go. Here's our abalone chicken stew or chicken stew with abalone. You don't have to put a lot of seasoning for this one because the abalone brine itself is already seasoned, yeah? So go light with your seasoning. So, I hope you like my very simple video today. Oh, I forgot we need to give it some garnishing. I have some spring onion here. Almost forgot. And some red chili for Chinese New Year. Alright, done. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.